Hi everyone, I'm Sam, an engineer at DOCK, and this is a walkthrough on how to migrate DOCK tokens from Ethereum to DOCK's new mainnet. A few points before we get started. The migration is for token holders who currently hold DOCK's ERC20 token in your own wallet. If your tokens are on an exchange, then the exchange will likely migrate your tokens on your behalf, and you do not need to do anything on your own. Check with your exchange to confirm if they are supporting the migration. This includes Binance and KuCoin currently. Links to this information are also included in the description section of this video. Do not send tokens directly from an exchange wallet to the vault for the migration. You will not be able to complete the migration and you will lose your tokens if you send tokens from a wallet that you do not own the private keys for. If you are holding tokens in your own wallet, then follow these steps to carefully ensure that your tokens are migrated safely. Our team is available for additional support as needed. Also, the migration begins on December 8th and will conclude on March 7, 2021. Let's get started. Firstly, you will need to create or import a wallet account on the DOCK network. There are several ways to generate the account which are explained in our support docs, but I'm going to show you how to do this with our browser wallet that we forked from Polkadot and customized for the DOCK network. To create the wallet, go to fe.dock.io and click the Accounts tab, or on the token swap form, click Create a DOCK token wallet. Make sure you're connected to the DOCK mainnet in the top left of the screen. Click on the Add Account button and save your mnemonic seed in a safe place, or several places that are preferably offline or written down on paper. The seed is required if you need to restore access to your account. If you lose this seed, then you will not be able to access your tokens. Once you've done that, add an account name and a secure password, click Next and save. You can see your address by clicking the name on the account. Next, send your ERC20 tokens to the vault address on Ethereum. This address is displayed on our website at dock.io, as well as on our Twitter at DockNetwork. I strongly recommend confirming the address in several locations to ensure it is the correct one. You can use MetaMask, MyCrypto, or any ERC20 compatible wallet to send the ERC20 tokens. Here's my transaction on Etherscan showing the ERC20 DOCK token successfully sent to the DOCK's vault address. Keep this page available as you will need it later in the process. Next, you will need to sign the Ethereum transaction that sent the ERC20 DOCK to the vault address. This will prove that you own that wallet. To do so, go to fe.dock.io and click on Network and then Token Swap. Select the account that you just created or imported from the drop-down menu and click Next. Copy the Ethereum transaction hash from when you sent the tokens into the form field. I'm going to copy and paste the hash from Etherscan. Verify that it's correct and click Next. Once the hash has been entered, you will receive a code used for signing the transaction. Copy this code and go to mycrypto.com or whichever wallet you wish to use for signing, and follow the instructions to sign a message. You can get more information in our support docs. Copy that signature and paste it into the signature box. Agree to our terms and then click Submit. If successful, you will see a message saying that your migration is now being processed. You can check the status of your migration at any time by clicking the Check Status link and entering the Ethereum address and the transaction hash from when you sent your ERC20 tokens. Once the migration is complete, your tokens will be available in your DOCK wallet. And that wraps up the token migration. If you have any questions, please contact our team at support@dock.io or in our Telegram. We also have a lot of support documentation available which are linked in the video or accessible from our website.